Hello, Chris Petco with the Proud Paintbrush. I highly recommend the DYB estimating course. I'm only about halfway through it, and already I'm seeing results. I've made some of the changes that Steve recommended to my website, and I'm already seeing it convert more. The other thing that it's doing is it's really building rapport, implementing some of the things he talked about telling people your story in the our story page, letting them know some of the struggles that you went through. I had someone last night text me saying, if we had any doubts about going with you, they were immediately removed when we read your story and heard more about kind of what you faced and everything like that. And so already seeing results, not even through it yet. It's an estimating course, but the amount of lead up to the estimate is unbelievable. So we're not even there yet. Already seeing results, already closing more. Highly recommend.